Hello, my name is Heinz Arate and this is my assignment 2 server-side practical. So I'm gonna go in order. So first of all, we're gonna be working, or we've been working in the grading app made in PHP. So first of all, well, I have here the grading app where you put the student name, student percentage, the grade, and it will, and it will give you a grade that based on the score that you submitted. So if I put here Heinz and I put 69, or let's put 70, and I hit create, it will create my student with the grade with the number 5. If I hit create, it won't let me. Error, please verify you enter a number or a name. If I try 102.3, it won't let me because the value must be less than or equal than 100. So if I put here Fonda and I put 100 and I hit create, then Fonda will get an A, and and it will add. The reason why it's added in 5 and 6 is because ID 1, 2, 3, and 4 I deleted them trying to make the functionality of delete work. For this week we had it to add modify and delete. So 1 second. So update. No, make sure validation from week 1 still working. Well, my validation is still working. Create, it won't work. Then I have to check that my code here, I basically have my database. This will help me connect to the database. I have my functions that will grab the information and run a query. If you see here, I have the query for create data or create the new student. I have a function here that will grab the score and it will transform it into a letter. Then you have to have the function that shows all the data, which with the query select all from students, and then that information I'm gonna loop through it, and then I'm gonna grab all the rows, information from all the rows, and I'm gonna create a table that I'm gonna be displaying in the index right here. If you see in my app, this is a table that I'm displaying. Here is the the function. Here I am including all the functions and all the documents that I'm gonna be using for this assignment. Then now let's go and test the modify, the edit, and the delete. So first of all, let me add more. Let me add Sam, and he got let's say that he got really low grade, so 37. Create, he got 37%. He wanted. Let's add Nicholas. Let's add him. He got a 85. Create, he got a B, 85. And what are we missing? We're missing a D. So let's add a Gabo and let's give him a 67. And he got a D here. So let's say that Sam actually didn't get a 37, he got more. So we go here to modify. It will grab the information from the URL. It will populate the fields. These fields, they still have validation. If I leave this empty, edit. Is a please error, please, and verify you enter a number or a name. So, well, so I want. Let's put his whole name. So his name is Samuel, and instead of 37, he got a 87. And then you click here, edit, and you see here Samuel now, student 87, got an 87 and a B. He got a B. So I can actually delete. Let's delete Gabriel. You see it deleted. Let's delete Heinz. Delete. Oh no, I didn't want to delete Heinz, so let's add him again. And he didn't get a 70, he got an 94. So you hit create, and oh no, Heinz did get a 94, he actually got a 91. So you're here to edit, and you're like, oh no, you know what? He actually got a 94. So you hit here cancel, and it will send you back to the main page. So this entire functionality, the whole CRUD, I can create, I can read the information right here. I can update, found that she got actually a 99, edit, here 99, and I can delete. Let's delete Heinz. Delete. So there goes my entire functionality of my application. Well, I have all the comments in my code. I try to repeat as much as possible so it saves in my mind. So I have here a global connection, which is basically the variable that is used as here for connection that is kind of like returned from this file. I grab connection, which is like the whole code to connect into my query. I also have here validates it is working. So if it's what's it called? If it's not, if this query is wrong, it will tell me query failed, and it will tell me the reason why. I have more here, like, well, use the important, use the global connection variable. I have comments here, so to update my database, the query, so on and so forth. What else? Test and review. Well, I test and review. The whole functionality is working. Well, I test 5 databases. I talk through and confirm the validation is working. Talk through and confirm functional glitches or fixes. Well, no, I don't have any glitches or problems. Please upload all code required to your private GitHub Classroom repo inside your solo folder. Perfect. This one I'll do in a bit. And well, thank you very much, and goodbye.